Aloha, everybody. Thanks for your support. Thank you for your support.
To all the Japanese fans, thank you so much for supporting Hawaii Five-0. I hope you know that you're a very important part of our ohana and one of the reasons why we're successful. You help spread aloha and you help spread the mana of Hawaii around the world with your support. So thank you very much. Know that you're in our hearts. As I said earlier, you're Ichiban, you're number one, you're Nakaoi. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. I didn't know that lady. I'm Japanese media.
I know.
But you were in Japan. How long were you in Japan?
I was in Japan from 71 through 78.
Wow.
I went to Jochi. I was married to a Japanese man.
I didn't know that.
A radio show, Amy no Nippon. TBS
Really?
の提供でお送りします。I know.
Really?
I know.
Oh my god.
But I don't use Japanese so much anymore. So,
Oh, okay.
ごめんなさい。
I hope that Magnam P.I. is going to Japan because they haven't got a Magnam P.I. yet.
Oh, what?
That's
Yeah,
why.
I want to go.
Yeah, you want
I'm gonna go. I'll do the press tour in Japan.
Yeah, I hope they are
do my best.
Yeah.
Ganbarimasu.
Thank you. The message for the Japanese fans out there.
Oh,
please.
Japanese fans.
Yes.
Magnum P.I. を見てください。
はい、ありがとうございます。
お願いします。
Thank you. Thank you.
I want to come over there and eat all kinds of sushi one day. Play video games.
Okay.
Maybe the Step Revolution. I want to do that. That'll be cool, eh? But yeah, don't worry, I'm coming. I'm going to be the next sumo champion.
Yay! All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Bye. Yes, for Japanese fans
Thank you
out
for
there.
watching. We love you guys. Keep watching, because we love making the show.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi Japan, how are you? I am so excited for you to see season 10 of Hawaii Five-0. It is going to be fierce this year. I hope you enjoy Quinn Liu. I have so much fun playing her, and thank you for welcoming me into Ohana, and maybe I'll see you in Hawaii.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for sending all your people here who came to visit. I hope we could make it too.
Okay, thank you.
Back when they were doing the Super Bowl shuffle, I had a Bears.
Message for Japanese fans out there?
To our Japanese
yes,
fans,
Japanese
thank you
fans.
so much. Thank you so much for watching. We love you guys. Come and visit us. Come visit us here in Hawaii. Look, there's a cool breeze.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Hi.
Japan is one of my favorite places in the world. The people of Japan are some of the most kind, humble, accountable, appreciative, and beautiful people in the world. And if I could find a way to live there full time, I absolutely would. And I'm just so grateful that you guys support our show, and we'll continue to do our best to bring you the best show possible. And just thank you so much. Arigatou gozaimasu.
Thank you, Yan. Thank you. Yeah.
So excited to have him on.
She said Mark there. Thank you.
Time for one question. What do you credit the success of the show to? The cast, the crew, the acting, the
Not me, man. I don't know.
Sorry, man. Sorry. I love it. I love the new. Hi. Yeah, okay.
From the city and county of Honolulu.